Now more than ever, we must recognize nature's unmatched ability to combat the climate crisis. We've created the climate crisis. Now it's our responsibility to solve it by restoring and protecting ecosystems. And that's where the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration Climate Challenge comes in.
Our goal is to contribute to climate mitigation needed by 2030 and to scale adaptation efforts to avoid damage and degradation of critical ecosystems and ecosystem services.
Through dual mitigation and adaptation solutions, we hope to use restoration and the power of nature to tackle climate change impacts, scale carbon dioxide sequestration, catalyse private and public support, and help vulnerable communities.
This challenge aims at placing 350 million hectares of ecosystems under restoration by 2030 through effective nature-based climate solutions, capturing large and meaningful amounts of excess carbon in the atmosphere, while at the same time helping at least 100 million people from climate-vulnerable communities to adapt to the impacts of climate change.
How are we going to reach this scale?
We will kickstart the challenge by doing a series of conversations among co-leading entities and organizations that are interested in the challenge to refine basically the goal and also trying to understand the linkages between restoration and climate action. We'll establish and also strengthen a community of practices and disseminate key scientific frameworks that are linked to the effectiveness of large-scale efforts to demonstrate the benefits of underutilized restoration strategies worldwide.
From there, we will engage other UN Decade partners as well as international and regional networks to grow our implementing abilities and reach the scale needed.
The result will be collective goals and actions that engage a global group of stakeholders who can report and project their contributions to the climate challenge's goal according to their self-defined capacities and interests.
So we invite you to join us in scaling restoration action to tackle the climate crisis today.